So now in the next part of matrices we see the adjoint of matrix. Now how we define the adjoint of matrix? Transpose of the cofactor matrix is called adjoint of matrix. In the last lecture we see how we find out the cofactor matrix. So here we find out the adjoint of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. Now suppose A is equal to the given matrix. Now here we find out the cofactor matrix. So for cofactor matrix, first we have to see the sign position. What is the sign position of each element? This is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So we know that the sign position of each element. To find out the cofactor matrix, first we have to find out the sign position. So now cofactor of 1. How we find out the cofactor of 1? First we see the sign of the first element. The sign is plus. Now you drop this row and this column and write down the remaining element in the form of determinant. So take the calculation. 24 minus 25, that is minus 1. So see here, cofactor of 1. First we write down the plus sign, then you drop this row and this column, and remaining element we write down in the form of matrix determinant. So here 4, 5, 5, 6. Solve it. 6 into 4, 24. 5 into 5, minus 25. So it is minus 1. Now second one, cofactor of 2. Now what is the sign of 2? So it is minus. Now drop this row and this column. We write 2, 5, 3, 6. 2, 5, 3, 6. Take calculation. Minus 12 minus 15 minus of minus 3, that is 3. Now third cofactor of 3. 3, that means the sign is plus. Now drop this row and this column. 2, 4, 3, 5. Take cross multiplication. So it is minus 2. Now 4. Cofactor of 2 again. This number. So the sign is minus. Drop this row. अभी ये 2 सेकेंड रो में आ रहा है और फर्स्ट कॉलम में आ रहा है, इसलिए ये और ये. So what is remaining element? 2, 3, 5, 6. So here we get 12 minus 15 minus of minus 3, that is. So in such a way we find out the cofactor of 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we find out the cofactor of 4, that is, first you select the sign of 4, that is plus, then you drop this row and this column in which the 4 is present. So 4 is present in this column and in this row. So we write down 1, 3, 3, 6. Take cross multiplication, we get minus 3. Now we find out the cofactor of 5. So the sign of 5 is minus. Now drop this column and this row. So we write down 1, 2, 3, 5. Take cross multiplication here and we get here minus of minus 1, that is 1. So here I am write down the cofactors of this element. The cofactor 1 is minus 1, 2 is 3, 3 is minus 2. Okay, now remaining cofactors here. Cofactor of 3 now. So cofactor of 3, so first we see the sign of 3 is plus. Now 3 जिस रो और कॉलम में प्रेजेंट है उसको ड्रॉप करो, दैट इज 2, 3 and 4, 5. टेक क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हियर 10 minus 12, that is minus 2. Then cofactor of 5. The sign of 5 is minus. अब जिस रो और कॉलम में है उसको ड्रॉप करो. So what is remaining? 1, 3, 2, 5. 1, 3, 2, 5. So what we get? Take cross multiplication. 5 minus 6 minus of minus 1, that is 1. And last number is 6. So the sign of 6 is plus. So you drop this row and this column. So 1, 2, 2, 4. Take cross multiplication. 4 minus 4, that is 0. So in such a way, we have to find out the cofactor of each element. So here I am write down the cofactors. Now the seventh number is 3 and the cofactor of 3 is -2. Then the cofactor of 5 is 1 and the cofactor of 6 is 0. So in such a way, we get the cofactors of each element. So we write down now the cofactor matrix. So therefore, cofactor matrix of A is equal to, I am write down again the same matrix, -1, 3, -2, 3, -3, 1 and -2, 1, 0. This is called the cofactor matrix of A. Now we find out the adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of matrix A. So how we define adjoint? That is transpose of cofactor matrix. So ट्रांसपोज ऑफ कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो रो है उसको कॉलम में लिखो. जैसे कि ये रो है -1 3 -2, उसको कॉलम में लिखो -1 3 -2. अब ये 3 -3 1 ये रो में है, उसको कॉलम में लिखो. उसके बाद में -2 1 0 ये रो में है, इसको कॉलम में लिखो. सो इन सच ए वे, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स. आफ्टर देन we have to take the transpose of cofactor matrix and we have to say that this is the adjoint of the given matrix. Now we see the inverse of matrix. Let A be in a matrix, then the inverse of matrix is denoted by A raised to -1. ये जो symbol है, we have to say that it is the inverse of the matrix A. How we defined it? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. जैसे कि प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में हमने adjoint of A कैसे फाइंड आउट किया था कि हमने सब एलिमेंट्स के कोफैक्टर फाइंड आउट किए थे और फिर उसके बाद हमने कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट किया था एंड आफ्टर देन वी हैव टू टेक द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स. तो सेम प्रोसीजर यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई करना है adjoint of A फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. सिर्फ और एक स्टेप आगे जाना है आपको A इनवर्स निकालने के लिए. सिर्फ सबसे पहले आपको उसका डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. So A inverse is defined as 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, where determinant of A is not equal to 0. अगर सपोज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A 0 हो जाता है तो 1 upon 0 का मतलब इंफिनिटी यानी नॉट डिफाइंड होता है. इसीलिए ये कंडीशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द A inverse, the determinant of A not equal to 0. Okay.